reform this country. He can industrialize this country and bring jobs to the youth, both literates and illiterates. Whether you have been to school, you haven't been to school, Kennedy Akumpreko Ohini Agyapong will create job for you. Ohini Agyapong. Nani swedi hunu. Awunyaye. Eba munu se. Wo se oba. No di MPP. Amanu Kunemin. Nobel flag bearer. Not subsequently obey the president of the Republic of Ghana. Senyamiya Aduma come 2028. Na babia ya pese Ghana eko jina na eko sino na wodi Ghana poboshe asasino so. Enu ne dimi free Kintampo North constituency ebedru adansi asukwa constituency.
Okay, yanhwe Kintampo North awon Bunu East no. Bunu East no campaign e kwasai.
Bunu East campaign no ekoye pa na bi awurosomu say inshallah there will be significant improvement over 2023 presidential primaries. There will be significant improvement. The so eguso a ye adwuma me awurosomu say come 31st January 2026 inshallah ya kontra bano Kennedy Akumpreko Ohini Agyapong obewe ni Bunu East.
I did na wo si ano wo support Honorable Ken.
Dey me support Honorable Ken ni say. Won abato oyi. Akwai say ukudwa. Odi normal ekudwo. Normal na odi kodwo no e wo say wan kasa odi normal na ekudwo no wo tenase. No hwe say normal way no e quality. Ejumfo beto ansana odi akọ. Enti ya trust ya follow events over the years and who say Honorable Kennedy Akumpreko Ohini Agyapong woye nipa yedinu ko na ekotoma Ghana fo ebetie no mo ato abano eden amano because Ghana fo wo yi omope obi a okana ore obi pe obi a onpe katasumu amuyaso onpe jurum Kennedy suso sa quality sunu wa demonstrate ama Ghana for who say Kennedy de uye nini o uye nadamfu uye adia enye adia emboa Ghana adia emboa society community and the nation at large no Kennedy on kataso obeka no korona chiro se wo se wo twa so kora no obeden obetwa so sai nipa no so ena Ghana for epe ena Kennedy so no wakoye household brand but bien no Ghana ha obeka Kennedy di amanfo enimle ena election wo ya na abato wo yi minua se unye popular na wandi no mo bi ho akutene na yedi ukọ se yenkoto abamawa nipa no njiuntum Kennedy over the years emabrowa wabo mu bebre enjanka waya doye wasabie enjuma Ghana youth say me ka say problem pa eye problem e wo Ghana ha eye youth unemployment e babu no wie school no ejuma ye omo manko school so omo nya ejuma ye enti ejuma ene ye problem a e ma aban bia ana ma wofo bia e wo Ghana ha say me ka say ye won koda omo wie colleges of education omo kita degrees in education diplomas in education amutifia omo fo no esam omo chop money your mama we nursing colleges training colleges we professional nurses omo tenafie for 3 years 4 years binu kwa tenafie for 5 years omo nyanjuma de bia me ka say aban entini fani panira and that is why Honorable Kennedy Akumpreko Ohini Agyapong it is part of his agenda say he must industrialize this country. Industrialization, factories. They will say, Obie. Oh, and then the MPP 2016, ye win ye, and also come. Ye the industrialization agenda. Etoma Ghana for say a bar. one district, one factory. But here by ye be but Ghana for who so much. But what I say, Sa crusade Kennedy Akumpreko or in Agyapong as an individual. Will be a factories be maybe reaching crown or a blue is crown. Will be you at youth. Baby, a home. And this is now wire individual will control a buy and on my resources. Now we're tini and yes, additionally. No one sign and yes, planning way. No what me implementing all year. And before say, therefore be a panel. In a piano, and you are be a pa. And into the energy, the person Ghana for the support. Now obey flag bearer. Obey flag bearer. Subsequently, no. When him said 2028, you didn't qua Ghana for a betting atom. No more Trabano Amaru. Boom, 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 boom. No baby president. No baby president. When him say, obey transform Ghana.
What about 2028? You know, but MPP so about because them say all the candidates who repeating the year before I repeating 96, 2000, you repeating Nanado 2012, 2016. I didn't think I'm repeating the former flag bearer.
Yes. Also, some now among for being a campaign. It doesn't hold water anywhere.
How?
And your flag bearer Biana MPP decoya. Odin court twice and thrice. Professor Dubois in 1992. No one indicated the coin. Yedi Professor Dubois in 1992. 1996 is how the coin.
But on the side almost all yare.
Performance no enye. Very poor. Yedi corner performance no enye. May science year research hwehwemu. Me who say yes I didn't qua enya dey obet my improve wa. I was say a drop no. So it was on that basis in a drop Professor Dubois. Say you didn't qua research no extra say enya dey Ghana for birthday e begina too but you didn't too chain edi former president Jake for Ekoye 1996 no so we started to improve over the performance of Professor Dubois in 1992 until now ma MB before we say yes once he has improved no yes I didn't qua obit me really. Yes, I didn't call the year 2000. Orini and became the president. I would the transformation, health insurance, no more any home plan or the buy. But when you come to the Akufado, the Akufado, you didn't call 2008. Will improve where I'll call 49 point something.
There was a second run.
That is it. Many people could do 49. Anka Oyarini. How do you drop that person? What deny you?
Yeah.
Compare 49 to our performance in 2024. 47. 41. Meanwhile, Nana Akufo-Addo was not the vice president. At the time I didn't call him, not a vice president.
Oh, just minister.
Oh, just a minister. You will be a incumbency advantage. So as the vice president, the second gentleman of the land. And our future baby baby nigan ha wanko anko commission anko addressi amanfo ndinka was say 2024 no kwa na ye performance ya win kwa performance economy they will say yes papa we send you ba Ghana for begina too but performance no san konachi over 2008 Nana Akufo-Addo dia no in the research in so say who said in the bar enya dia ebe because President Akufo 2 times former President Akufo-Addo buy no 3 times
yeah
I don't want go 2 times I don't want go 2 times you be a friend individual differences nobody nyina nyepe o say binu e ka say candidate bia no o didn't beba na once what me win it's a lie. Everybody is unique and everybody has his capacity, everybody has his ability, everybody has his popularity and his how famous he is and how Ghanaians see him. And there's somebody like Kennedy Akumpreku or in Agyapong. Who didn't buy? It is one touch, no second round, because already no man who are marketing already know what demonstrating Ghanaians who say he's capable of leading Ghana and solving the unemployment situation. The major problem or challenge in the Ghana youth where they FAC and in the Ghanaian youth they are hungry for Honorable Kennedy Akumpreku to become the president. In this Ghanaian youth in Kwano obubefu because obudin say we don't know what demonstrating. And now over MPP as a party no I mean party biawo babia na holding ewo. Okay. So for me I've been saying that MPP is different from NDC. Party biawo babia na holding ewo babia ya gina tum babia our majority. And remember game this politics is a game of numbers. Agent electoral commission they talk about we are no kind 1 2 3 what would they do so ayo they una wa win very good. So MPP as a political party yen ya holding e was Southern Ghana not Northern Ghana. Okay. Northern Ghana your vote by your vote and those I bet me my day ye di ho win election ya holding e Southern Ghana. And you and I know say yes strongest hold in this country you did win in past election Ashanti region. Okay. The next strongest hold is what? Eastern region. Say Okaya 2008 MPP the two regions way Ashanti and Eastern hold election no. We nearly won. So if MPP could use two regions to make an election competitive in this country, then why do we go to where we are not strong but we are in a hobby? Let's see a flag bearer. And now we know Kasei. Uko Northern Ghana, Upper West, our capital Ewa. There were 11 constituencies. Bisam say 11 constituencies. Constituency Senna MPP winning in the last election 2024. 0. 11 constituencies, whole region. They need MP back. So is this strategic? Say, Babia only MP Bakupu. You see me going flag better. Go to Upper East. It is not in Ghana. We have 15 constituencies in Upper East. MPP had 0 in the last election, 2024. But what you say? Such a place as a strategic party like MPP, you see me go a flag bearer. Are you strategic?
But Dr. Baumia said, on the home region of East or Rene.
Okay. MPP for no binum you say. You will Busia, Dankwa, Dombo, tradition. So Dr. Baumia represent what? The Dombo. Dombo free. Dombo free Northern region of Upper West. When free Upper East, Dombo was from Upper West. And this is Dombo free Upper West. Now you see. Dr. Baumia will free North East no what represented Domboa and the doctor and team in country say one no region and a Upper East point. He represent the North. Okay. The North is a block. Okay. The North, Northern Ghana is a block, which some proponents are saying that Dr. Baumia represented Dombo. So represented SB Dombo and they were representing the North. Until now, Northern MPs no like Dominic Nitu and others almost more campaign a tribal campaign Emma Dr. Baumia Dominic Nitu why am I pressing why company I don't know why campaign man because the northern part is a block one. So if you presented a northern candidate, northern flag bearer in 2024 and he scored 0 in Upper West, scored 0 in Upper East, and scored insignificant number of constituencies in Northern region. Na Sanipa we esakase yemfa as flag bearer as a party. If this party is strategic and this party is hungry for power in 2028, do we have to send such a candidate? No. It is the statistics that is talking. It is the figures that are talking. And the figures are there. Oko Northern region, You 18 constituencies. 2024, MPP nya 6. MPP nya 6. Go to Bomia's, Dr. Bomia's home region, Northeast. You 6 constituencies. As a flag bearer, our free side region, no, our region for so side region for so no, almost present everywhere because a present everywhere or more advantage and certain benefit to be a omunya. You need NDC for 3-3.
Yeah.
So if in your home region we have 3 seats, NDC has 3 seats, how can you convince the delegates of MPP say you are strong in the north and you can bring the Zongo vote and you can bring the Northern vote?
So I'm trying to say, sir. Dr. Bob, purpose I didn't buy some message, so on neutralize Mahamas or Intimana.
And Yana Kaye, one statement say, Yen flag bearer, what the Zungu for Beba. I Nordiness with the Umbeba. Sumuna of Frunusu, Muslims with the Umbeba. Because Ghana have Minuna enemy say Uko no far, MPP near holding. Ura kamo fumu me amika se me kamoni be a shake MPP nya hodi kamo fumu enti Dr. Bomia promise MPP 4 say wo di zongo fon beba because ombe hu say omunua no sisi o yede we flag bearer wo di sirim 4 beba sisi omunua na yede e flag bearer obia so epedodo say na panyifo ta ka no sama fo kwa yede epedodo but otimi do mobile
there be
Northern region amika say nya 6 over 18. So Obako school no yeah and so no nya 6 over 18 na obeko akwa ma no
there be
anya de what dey say amfo so ene chere nto aso obi afuru dua pa so ene epia no and the doctor one furu dua pa doctor ni performance no anso ani
now if you are Ashanti region so the first time after 2000 MPP recorded less than 70%. Any eastern moon that's a number drop away and also a day
numbers no drop a drop away no you be your friend motivation by the flag bearer.
Okay,
motivation by the candidates.
Okay,
because of your candidates ni kasa ni actions and the performance over the years. Remember say waba by mu
okay
so we present feel one dey so vice enti adwuma obeye no na me bi uba no sesia no say afọ na kire no to aso. And we are doing na man for into over about 1.7 million or one trabano. Makwa research no and I find this one say MPP4. Sana muka.
Yeah.
And the sana research no so echere. And this report no echere say about 170 into aba.
Okay.
Na yin na ejejiriji. Dinti no one traba. Unfo ni wo ballot no so.
There be.
Me mfo ni na wo so.
There be.
Dr. Bomi mfo ni na wo so.
Sure.
Na se mfo ni na wo so na MPP ni kohwe na wanto ana wo se mi kokora. That means you have a problem with the candidates. And remember, if you continue doing the same thing, you get the same results. So MPP, and say you continue the same thing. Ye dinako, ye huso, party no, a drop ye MPs, a drop from 137. Who the independent candidate Kamua, our Yasada, a 138. Bayoko Abaton, a drop to 88.
And then they are 87.
It had never happened in the history of MPP. Never. That was the first time. Enemy person me catch say parliamentary candidates also, if you put their aggregate votes across the country, ubom ukabomwa a those to change flag bearer. Vote yes. Uka MP somewhere MPP MP no. Omo amu gina ye no. Omo vote boom. Now the two side by side with that of the flag bearer no. A those to change flag bearer. That means MP no mum na twi flag bearer na ko. That means Tico. So on car friend Tico. Tico try articulator. Ebe articulator na say Tico.
Yeah.
Because no more do channel.
Sure.
You understand? Because flag bearer no wo ko constituency bia wo peja parliamentary candidate ni sa.
Yeah.
Muntu mame na muntu ma the parliamentary candidate asimasi. And this a parliamentary candidate no e wo problem kura e wo constituency wa. Flag bearer no abamu a wapeja ni sase we na meeting di na ya adwuma no ma jai no mato ba flag bearer na kasa no kura no ntimi nko na watwe obi akọ ntimi ko wo ade eba ade edi wachi se be chew wan kasa ntimi gwa na osan etwe obi Unja ni panisem. Ubeja no so a say de no bechi no. That was what happened.
Okay, as party penino. Who tear Dr. Bowley or say Professor Marco Quick committee report say who says the four and send some affect him and after Dr. Bowley being Muslims are affected. At party penina also constituency on Usha the Kusasi factor also play role in elections in
and you Kusasi factor in politics obi obe catch say religious factor religion it doesn't counter people who win in politics. Obi Obeka chose a tribal factor is not considered that person is not an experienced politician. In politics, even in the advanced countries in US, past president ni buy no you send your election party no koye. Obi Obejina biya no home region there no vote kosoro adintra. E ho na ofi. Enti ene so ko gina election. No yesala ni now only Mampusi Kujina, you get majority of the Sisales in the normal circumstances. Because Ubia per se, we tribe mates, every president. And this Okojina, now Ukun for Mawa. That means Asemo.
Okay.
Asemo.
Okay.
I say, okay. Maybe you see change.
Okay.
And as soon as soon Oba yankra musumu a yo bibia yetai kase al muslim ahul muslim.
Okay.
Kramoni ni nuane ni yonku kramoni. What do I say?
Yeah.
Once I only declare faith, say la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and the Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God. So we kusasi new, we the gati new, we are once I also will proclaim say let me be and this Allah and the Prophet Muhammad no one na Yankopon suma for no me na yam and ubegina election I consider that factor. So ubegina election and I don't consider that factor. That means assembly. And in 2024 that factor didn't, the religious factor didn't work. Me, I was in the front line of the campaign. Me cover Pia Nkramofowa Ayasi Ayfrasi me say al Muslim al Muslim Muntu Emma doctor Musi Sheikh Afu de al Muslim al Muslim Enyajuma Enyajuma. And that was what happened. The results Pro West Ayepran Dr. Bumia Kusi Asori dai masalachi kasi ako kuma shukuru au husa masalachi nibi. I tell you, ena dia subu emakramoni eya asori dai, because your articles of faith in Islam,
okay,
no matter you consider the core heaven al Jannah. Number one, a declaration of faith, la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Finish. What declare? You become a Muslim. The second one, a prayers. Sorry, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. And you do go heaven. Enti asori nsusu yesi koye no masalachi ana mosque. Enti obi be si masalachi mo ana mosque mawa. That means odi ko he. Aljanna. Na sani pai wasa koto abati ano. Asam ni ho. Asam ho. Enti MPP for say power. Yem fanisi nchen. And remember, political thinkers no essay. A political party refers to group of people coming together with one political ambition, with the aim of capturing political power, forming a government, ruling a nation, and bringing development. So the aim of a political party, the political party as MPP yepe any to me. And this a party no petumi dia, Yenfo Honorable, Akumpreko, Kennedy, Agyapong, our household brand, our demonstrate say he's capable of addressing the issues of this country, including what? Unemployment. Because Okobabia was see jobs. To
give this idea, the man must see Dr. Bame see most for what plan. That's what I'm for to
well, oh, and me do catch on. I say, Obaka Mufumwa, statistics will actually say. You were 70% of the population in Ghana are Christopher.
Yeah.
And there were 30% are Omuye Kramofo. Now Ube wura 30% no more.
Yeah.
you can get about only 5% of your MPP.
Okay.
So majority of the Muslims, that is why Babia Eyezongo Bia Wagana Hanu MPP Niahodi. Any researcher can go and do the research, and the research findings have revealed this, that wherever Zongos are, whichever Zongo settlement, MPP is not strong. MPP is not strong. Anybody can challenge me, and the statistics are there. What do I say? And the Nipano were NDC. Into the Debia Kubiamano, 120, and the yes inform so you was be. You so be moi. You be jamun a day. You so more, Yasum, and you call me home region of West. You be salary, who call Pawesa. Now, NDC for a compare. No more say NDC, no more say to Nogoya. The Gati Kasamu, Yasum. NDC, second one was it to Nogoya, Yasum. Third one, NDC was it to Nogoya, bing, Yasumu, din, in Jamu. Until I record zero. No one record zero. Waha. Then the pana catcher was to Nogoya, bing, was in Quako Flaber. Are you serious? Do you mean business? Are you strategic? Do you want power? And Tibabia Yahodi a wano. You go fly better and walk. Then the numbers will come. We use it to win. And that is why we are proposing that the man who has demonstrated competency, the man who has demonstrated that he can reform this country, he can industrialize this country and bring jobs to the youth, both literates and illiterates. Whether you have been to school, you haven't been to school, Kennedy Akumpreko or Agyapong will create job for you.